Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 7. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and open a new part template. Go to the sketch and click on the sketch and start on the sketch here. To start off, we'll do this profile here on the top plane. We'll just do this profile this way. Alright, we'll just take all of these lines here. We'll go for mirror entities. So for doing mirror entities, you need to have a center line. So we'll just again go for all of these lines here, and we'll go for mirror entities and select mirror about as this axis here. Click on tick mark. Use a line tool and close those lines here. And now you can use smart dimension and dimension this. That's 25. And this should be how much? 45. The overall length over here will be 125. And this thickness will be 12. And this length will be 37. The overall length over here will be 50. And now you can see that the sketch is fully constrained. Now you just try to move the sketch and the sketch is not going to move it because it's fully constrained here. Exit the sketch now and you can go for features, surfaces, and go for extrude. And in the extrude you can extrude it up to 35 mm here. No, 25 mm. That's 35 minus 10 is 25. So just go for 25, key in 25 here and go for tick mark once again. Now you can close this surface here. So to close the surface, what I would do is I'll just leave the surface as of now like that, and what I would do is again I'll go for a sketch and I'll do a sketch on the top plane once again. In this case I'll just draw a rectangle here. Just place line on this edge of the rectangle, collinear. Now use smart dimension and dimension it to 75 here, and this is 50. And its overall length is 75, right? So this should be 75 divided by 2. Now it's fully constrained. This is 75. Alright, now exit the sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, go for extrude, and this time extrude it on the opposite direction with a length of 10. Key in 10 over here. Alright, now what you can do is you can take this particular face here, and you can go for fill surface and fill that surface there. Now it's filled, right? Now you need to remove this portion here. So again, go for sketch and go for sketch and go for sketching on the top plane. In this case, just draw a rectangle up to this face here, exit the sketch. Now what you can do is you simply go to surfaces and go for trim surface and just select that sketch that you have just clicked, and then you can select this surface as the surface to be removed. Now that surface has been removed, right? It's good. Now what you can again do is fill surface, just fill the surface here, and you need to repeat that same process that you just did. So go for trim surface and select the sketch that you clicked, and again click on that surface so that's removed there. Now that surface has been removed. Now what you can do is just go for fill surface once again and fill the surface. Now that surface has been filled. So you need to do surface modeling in such a way that there is no surface that is extra. So just once if I fill this surface also, this can be considered almost like the solid model without any extra surfaces in between. By saying that, what I mean is, if in case that I haven't removed the surface, then this is not a continuous surface. So that's what I meant. So there's two ways you can fill this. If you don't want to select the edges one by one, you can just use a sketch over here, or else there would have been a full surface, right? Yeah, there is a surface fill here. Okay, just select this surface, go for fill surface, click on tick mark. Now you can see that that surface is filled. You can hide that, you can select that, and then you can go for offset surface, and you can offset it up to a distance of 25. Alright, now if you hide this, you'll be able to see that the other surface that I've created using the base sketch of this is gone because I've hidden it, and this surface is there. If you unhide that, that's good. Our model is good. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Thank you and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.